Hello traders, today is June 25th, 2025. I am going to cover New York Forex trading session. Risk disclaimer. This is the daily time frame of euro dollar currency pair. It seems to me euro dollar wants to rise up more. We got the bullish breakout above this old swing high. So this is the resistance level, and now market is trying to rise back up. Price action of euro dollar currency pair is most likely going to rise up more, and then expect a top and a drop in price action in coming trading days. Next, let us take a look at 4-hour time frame. At this point in time, euro dollar is finding support above this middle trend line. So as long as price action is not breaking below this middle trend line or median line, to me it is still an uptrend inside 4-hour time frame of euro dollar currency pair. Next, let us take a look at 1-hour time frame. This is the 1-hour chart of euro dollar currency pair. I do expect a top or some kind of a sideways price action in 1-hour time frame of euro dollar currency pair. However, you need to check out the 15 minutes time frame first. Go over to a 15 minutes chart. So right now we have the support down over here, 1.1581. This is the support level. So if price action is going to break below this support area and we get a bearish candlestick close, something like this happens, okay, then it's a good idea to use your day trading strategies to look for sell trading opportunities inside euro dollar currency pair. Otherwise, it is still an uptrend, and it's quite possible that euro dollar is going to break above this high, 1.1641 high. Okay. Next, let us take a look at United States dollar index, the DX. Okay, so in daily time frame, we got actually a new low in United States dollar index. It's quite possible that price action is going to rise up from current lows. Another idea is market is going to print a new low. Something like this happens, okay. And next, market is going to rise up from these lows, okay. So we will see if we do get a false break to the downside or not, because if you check out the 1-hour time frame, we got this as 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, and then we got this big drop in price action. So if I draw a Fibonacci retracement level over here, and let me adjust the level, 0.87. Okay, so right now this is the support. Okay, so we have this support down over here inside US dollar index. Let me change the color. Okay, so if price action really wants to rise up, then obviously we should get some kind of a bullish breakout above 98.22 level, like we get some kind of a a green color candlestick. Okay, so if we get that, then the chances are DX is going to rise up. Otherwise, price action is falling down and it could drop even further. Next, let us take a look at GBPUSD currency pair, pound dollar, daily time frame. Right now at this point in time, in last 2 trading days, we got this big body candlestick over here, another one up here. So it's telling me that market wants to rise up even further. There's a long-term picture. Let me show you. If we go over to a weekly time frame or monthly time frame, here's the monthly chart. So it's quite possible that if GBPUSD is going to rise up more, then it might hit 1.3751 level. Okay, so as far as the daily time frame is concerned, market is only going to turn around and start the decline if and when we do get a bearish candlestick close below 1.34 14 price level. If you check out the 4-hour time frame, over here you see we got this as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, but it did go up in an opposite direction. So all of this is telling me that this was an expanded flat scenario, like we got 3, 3 and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So the trend is up. It's an uptrend. It could go even further. If you check out the 15 minutes time frame and zoom out a little bit, this is the support area. Okay, so if market really wants to drop, then we should get a bearish candlestick close below 1.3589 price level. Otherwise, it is still an uptrend, and price action in GBPUSD currency pair, you would expect it to rise up even further. Okay. Next, Australian dollar currency pair, AUDUSD currency pair, daily time frame. So this was the resistance level at 0.6544 level. Then market dropped, rallied back up. It could fall a little bit. What I mean by that is we could get a decline something like this, and then Aussie dollar is going to rise up from current levels. Second idea is price action is going to drop from current levels, and we should expect a new low in market in coming trading days. So we will see how it goes. As far as the smaller time frame is concerned, like a 1-hour time frame, I was expecting the market to break below 0.6450 level. So far it is going nowhere, just a sideways price action going on, few pips up, few pips down. Overall, these things usually break to the upside. What I mean by that is, if you draw this trend channel over here, okay, these things usually breaks higher. Okay, let me change the color to green. Okay, so it's quite possible that Aussie dollar is probably going to rise further. Now, there's another wave count which I would like to show you. Go to the AUDUSD. Let me show you an Elliot wave count. So it seems to me we got this as bullish 1, 2, 3, 4, and expect a bullish wave 5 to the upside. That looks quite possible. Now, what if the wave count is wrong? Well, if the wave count is wrong, then we should get a bearish candlestick close. Something like this happens inside AUDUSD currency pair. So the support level to watch is 0.6484. So if market wants to drop in AUDUSD currency pair, then price action should start the decline and breaks below 0.6484 level. Otherwise, it is an uptrend. Okay, like the way I showed you over here. This is the 1 hour, so these things usually break to the upside. Next one is the New Zealand dollar, the Kiwi New Zealand dollar versus US dollar currency pair. Now again, I have two scenarios over here. Let me zoom out a little bit. So over here you see we got some nice support and resistance at 0.6075 area. Now this whole thing looks like to me we got some kind of 1, 2, and then we got wave 4 and then a wave 5. So expect A, B, and C to the downside. Now it's also possible that we are still getting this as a wave 4 scenario. What I mean by that is, one idea suggests that price action is going to drop, okay, and then it's going to rise up. Second idea says that price action is going to drop from current levels. So we will see how the price action is going to react. As far as the 1 hour chart is concerned, I expect the NZDUSD currency pair to drop below 0.6000 level. This is a round number right over here. So if price action is going to breaks below 0.6000 level, that would be the clear indication that market wants to drop, at least on a short-term basis. So we have these two wave counts. One suggests that this is 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, and the move is over. So expect ABC zigzag corrective wave pullback. Second wave count suggests that wave 4 is still going on, and market is just going to drop temporarily, and then it is going to print a new high in coming trading days. Next, US dollar Swiss franc. Now in USDCHF currency pair, price action did manage to breaks below the old swing low. However, the way USD Swiss franc is behaving, it is quite possible that market is going to find aggressive buyers. So let's go to a 4-hour. As far as the trend is concerned, this is the rainbow. You see market is falling down. It's going down. It's a nice downtrend going on in 4-hour time frame. Even if you check out the daily, same story, downtrend scenario. Okay, so if you go to a 1-hour time frame, if market really wants to rise up, then obviously we need some kind of a bullish breakout like here. So if market really wants to change the direction and we begin to see bullish wave C, then this is only going to start if market is going to breaks above 0.8124 level inside 1-hour time frame, and we should get a green color bullish candlestick pattern over here. Otherwise it's a downtrend and price action is probably going to drop more. What I mean by that is market is probably going to continue the decline. Okay, let me change the color. So it's only going to change the downtrend if price action is going to breaks above 0.8124 area right over here. Next, let us take a look at spot gold. Spot gold going sideways. Overall, I think market is going to drop inside spot gold. This whole thing looks like to me some kind of a triangle wave. A, B, expect C, D, and then E, and then it's going to rise up even further. So this is the forecast regarding the spot gold. Next, let us take a look at US dollar versus Canadian dollar currency pair. Inside USDCAD currency pair, weekly time frame price action missed this support area, so it's quite possible that we're going to get a new low in price action in coming trading days. If you check out the 4-hour time frame, we actually got a bullish breakout over here, another one over here, and then we even got this one as well. So it kind of looks bullish. However, if this really is an uptrend, then price action should not break below 1.3684 support level. What I mean by that is we should get a bullish breakout above 1.3797 area. That would be an indication that market wants to rise up even further. Okay, so if you check out the 4-hour chart over here, you can draw a simple trend channel over here. If market is going to breaks below this trend channel, then obviously the uptrend is over. Okay, next one is the Bitcoin. The way I see BTC USD currency pair is probably going to move sideways to complete a bearish wave 4 triangle Elliot wave pattern and then expect further upside. Okay, if you check out the 4-hour time frame, we got this bullish breakout over here, which is telling me that the downtrend is over. It's done. It's finished. Okay, the name of the game is to make money in Forex trading. I always suggest to invest in yourself, learn Forex trading online. If you are losing money in Forex trading and you need help in currency trading, then you could always do a live chat with me. Okay, that's pretty much it for today. I will try to do the next session tomorrow, same time. So from my side, have a nice day and see you tomorrow.